Before we dive into this EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we are reviewing the Orix EA for MT4 and MT5. This is a GBPUSD focused system built on price behavior and market structure analysis. So let's break it down. As you can see, the EA costs $350. And if you expand this, you can see from the MKL5 page that the Orix system is developed specifically for the GBPUSD currency pair on the M5 time frame. That's 5 minute time frame. The expert advisor is based on price behavior analysis and market structure elements and does not use standard technical indicators. The developer states clearly that EA does not use martingale, trading grids, averaging against the market, hedging, opening trades without a stop loss, or high frequency or chaotic trading. Each trade is opened with a mandatory stop loss. Risk can be set as fixed lots or via auto risk mode, calculated from the stop loss of a single trade. Recommended risk is 1% to 5% per trade. Live signals are also available for reference. So you can see over here. All right, as for the features, the key features include the price behavior and market structure logic without standard indicators, mandatory stop loss on every trade, fixed lots and auto VIX modes, GMT parameter for broker server time adjustments, support for both netting and hedging accounts, and the personal bonus EURUSD version provided exclusively to buyers after purchase. As you can see, there's a personal bonus after the purchase. The recommended setup is GBPUSD on the M5 time frame on a reputable ECN/raw broker. Minimum deposits from $100 for 0.01 lots and a VPS for stable operation. Default settings are the starting points. All right, so we have some screenshots. You can see how the equity curve looks. Pretty smooth. Can see pretty decent movements towards the upside. Um, let's take a look at some of the developers' backtest results. We'll just load this up. Okay, since that's giving a little bit of trouble, let's just zoom this in so we can have a quick look. So for an initial deposit of $1,000 over the period wasn't specified, but the developer claims a profit or a turnaround of over $62 million. That's quite a performance. But we won't take this at face value. I'm going to put it through my own personal back tests and show you if that actually holds up when put through um, my own personal testing. All right, so let's head over to MT5. As you can see, I have the EA installed and I use the recommended pair, the GBPUSD on the M5 time frame. As you can see, I use the custom period of a year ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And looking at my back test on a 10K account, my initial deposit was $10,000. The equity curve shows solid overall growth with net profits, as you can see in the results, around $18,000, 18,837 to be exact. The profit factor is 2.20 and recovery factor is 3.45. The maximum or the balance drawdown rather is 16.09%. However, the history quality is only 24%, which is a significant limitation for modeling reliability. Low history quality means the test may not fully capture real-time behavior, spreads, or slippage, so the results should be treated with extra caution. The clean rig structure, mandatory stop loss, and no recovery methods is a clear strength. Price action and market structure systems can perform well when key reversal levels hold, but they can also produce sequences of stopouts when structure fails or the market becomes noisy on M5. Okay, let's head back to the website. Honestly, the features that matter most are the risk percentage of fixed lot size, covered GMT configuration for your broker, and continuous verification of live behavior against the published signals. The absence of grid and martingale keeps risk transparent, but M5 GBPUSD still requires quality execution. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, low history quality reduces confidence in the backtest numbers. M5 can be sensitive to spread and slippage. Incorrect GMT settings can shift session logic. In practice, start with 1% risk or lower, confirm the GMT offset with the developer if needed. Use a quality ECM broker and VPS, and demo test thoroughly, as past results never guarantee future performance. So overall, Orix EA is a GBPUSD M5 price behavior and market structure system with mandatory stop loss and no grid or martingale. The shared backtest shows solid growth with meaningful drawdown and low history quality. Independent verification and conservative risk settings are essential. Always trade with money you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot on the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.